Hi everyone! So another unboxing video for today. I am so excited for this item to arrive and finally I have it and I am going to unbox it right now. So this is a Soonwoo Japan Dome Tour trading card. I'm not really into collecting photo cards or trading cards because it's super duper expensive, but I really want to have this because it's a Soonwoo OTP trading card. I am a Soonwoo shipper. My ultimate ship is Soonwoo, Sunyo, and Wano because I just love their friendship. Like they are best friends since ninth grade and they are just so adorable. Yeah, I just love their friendship. That's it. And it's been a long time since they had a photo card or trading card together. Look at that. They're so adorable. It's worth the price. OMG, they're so adorable. They're so adorable. Okay, so that's it for today. It's just a short unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you still want to watch my future videos or unboxing, click that subscribe button and